Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show, YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, July 27th. Oh, I can't wait for this month to be over. 2009, and let August come in, baby. The bear month is around the corner, people. Don't you worry. Hey, so we had them last night. Well, keeping that carry trade over the weekend wasn't the worst thing in the world. We came in nicely on in Asia, only to explode. So much for that. I thought we'd retest the bottom. But again, this dollar index on the precipice. Are we going to melt down? Or are we going to keep grinding like this? I mean, it is Tuesday coming around. I know some of you don't believe, Andrew and his turnaround Tuesdays. People, it's not. I'm not the only one. All right, historically, Tuesday is a known day for potential reversal days. So I think this dollar index now is a terrible close. I think we're going to bust. I think we're going to break. There could be Momo. Now, I believe that we are going to reverse. I think Fed's Lacker's comments today that the rates are going to have to rise before the jobless rate recovers means the Fed might be raising rates in the first quarter of 210. And I think that certainly, we'll talk about dollar yen, but interest rate differential comes back into play. One of the reasons why I did the webinar this weekend on interest rate differentials, because the market's going to start pricing in rate hikes out of Australia, London, U.S., not Europe. They're going to lag this time. They lagged on the way down. They're going to lag on the way up. But Lacker's comments certainly drawing drawing the market attention. U.S. obviously home sales better. No real numbers tonight. New Zealand, big laggard. Let's take a look here, though. So dollar index to me, unless we close over 79, unless we can close clearly above the 79.10 level and break out through 79.70, dollar index looks to me like it's going lower. So looking at this dollar index, you might say it's a hammer maybe or a doji. I don't see it. I don't see it at all. All right, euro dollar. Let's take a look. These charts, I mean, are they going to do it, you think? We keep making new highs? Listen, Nissan, I'm a big Nissan person, and this says weakness. It keeps rallying and failing, rallying and failing, rallying and failing. But, I mean, man, we're almost there, and there's a couple of charts that are there already, which is what's really concerning me. This keeps breaking out. One of these days, Alice, to the moon. We'll get to it. So dollar yen, take a look at that chart. Nice close there in dollar yen. Look at this dollar yen. This thing might broken out to this downtrend channel line. Very bullish here. And if interest rates are going up, carry trade, dollar yen. So we take a look at this line. This baby's broken out big time. And the next resistance really 96.70. Well, tomorrow will be 96.50. So this dollar yen, to me, as long as we don't take out 94.50 or today's low even, dollar yen should be up nicely. Macroeconomics is definitely behind it. Cable, I don't know. Someone tell me what cable's going to do. I mean, come on. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down. Reversal, no reversal. It's nuts. This is freaking crazy. One sell-off. One soup for you. That's it. Sterling, certainly, I think GFK is going to be bad today. Realized sales, I don't see how that's going to be a good number. But, the sterling yen, we're going to look at the carry trades. If the carry trades are going to bust the hell out, which they are, and remember, the first one we showed you was that Aussie yen. But sterling looks like it wants to go. Now we get to some, dollar Swiss, the commodity currency, Aussie dollar. Dollar Canada, we're going to look at in a second. Dollar Swiss, obviously, listen to intervention. You got to be nervous about intervention. But clearly, they've been holding this sucker up. And we've now crossed the line again. We're closing terrible. This baby looks like it wants to bar down. As long as we don't take out this channel line, I think, we got to basically be bearish. To the downside. The dark side. So dollar Swiss, SOS, sell on strength, baby. Now, Australia. Look at the Aussie. It is gone. like the wind. This baby should be gone. How could I short this? How could we be short this? Maybe tomorrow in the U.S. session, or maybe after it goes up 100 pips. But here, this baby's flag, pole, developing to the moon. I mean, this pole looks like it wants to take off, baby, to the moon, Alice. So in looking at this Aussie dollar, is it going to lead the way? Now let's look at the New Zealand, because New Zealand lagged today. Aussie Kiwi was strong. I got to tell you, I'm bullish. I see these charts. How can you be bearish? Look at this flag, this baby. If the Aussie's going to go and the loonie broke through, we'll see 108. This baby's got a trade balance number coming up in an hour. Right now it's 4:47 p.m. Eastern. This could be a market mover. BOP, buy on pullbacks. This baby looks like it's ready to pull up. Oh, man, everything's on the precipice. And listen, maybe it's just everything's a sale and we're not going to explode. Summer trading in effect. Maybe. Dollar Canada. I mean, this Dollar Canada is a huge spot. Look at this spot in Dollar Canada. I mean, I'm so sick over this one. If you've been a listener of mine, you know this was one of my best ideas for the month of July. Best. I made crap in it. This thing didn't have any freaking bounce. Straight down. You know how oversold this is? I don't even need to look at stochastics. You do all that, all your other indicators. Take a look at overbought, oversold, whichever ones you use. There's no doubt that this is in extreme territory. I don't need another chart to tell me that. So in looking at this level, we broke it through here. We take out 107.75, and it could be bad. Oh, baby, bad. So this, you see this level? Yeah, some people think this is valid. Some people don't. I think it is. My personal opinion. This looks bad. And again, that New Zealand. Let's look at Euro Sterling. I'm not going to do the Dow today. I don't have enough time because I think carry trade is important to focus on. The Dow looks like it's going higher. S&P going higher. Oil and gold. They came back a little bit. They still look pretty strong. Euro Sterling with a nice little reversal again. Trying to bang up. The bias was right, but trying to bang up against this triple top here. I tell you, this Euro's going to go. Euro Sterling needs to go with it. Nice reversal, though. I think we pull in. Going to look to buy the pullback. Cable might be the relative strength winner. If that's true, let's take a look at Sterling Yen. Nice close. Ooh. I mean, look at these channel lines. I mean, we're on the precipice of a big breakout here. Listen, the stock market, for all intents and purposes, stock market is now making new highs. S&Ps are making new highs. Carry trade is not. At what point is the carry trade going to come around the outside and outperform? Because right now, the carry trade's underperforming, no matter how you want to slice it. Break it down to break it out. I mean, look, at one point we were talking about a potential of Sterling Yen hitting 170. On a break it down to break it out basis, it could easily get there. Measure the move, 160, 148, something like that, right? 1,200 pips, 72, hello. One of these maybe, we come up to here, double top. But this baby is looking like it wants to go. Breaking out to the moon, Alice. Stock market was strong again today. Euro yen doing the same thing. Let's take a look at Euro yen. Dennis Gartman mentioned the Euro yen, and I brought this to your attention also. Listen, my bias is long. BOP, buying on pullback. I'm sick over it. And I think we have a monster turnaround Tuesday. We could be up to 137, even 138. Who knows? Dollar yen could be up 100. Euro dollar could be broken through 143. It can happen, people. And the one that really told us about this was Aussie yen. Remember, people, my twits, twitter.com/voice of Forex. Same thing here, just like on this YouTube. Sign up for my twits, people. I tweeted today nicely. Said I'd be long into the close. Short the dollar, long the carry trade. Again, if you have any questions about going premium, only a couple of days left until I pull it. info@globalfxradio.com. I might extend it a week or so into August. But that's going to be it. No more summer special. So carry trade looks like it's going. Dollar looks like it's going to come down tonight. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio. The only voice. Oh, turnaround Tuesday. Look for it. Bye-bye.